Hello everybody, welcome back to another important video. If you wanna reply to any email, then follow some simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. So, let's go. First of all, I wanna close this. At the very first, open your Gmail app. And now if you wanna reply to any email or any person, first you have to open the email that you wanna reply, okay? For example, if I wanna reply to this email, first I have to open this. Now scroll down a little bit and go to the bottom of the page. Now look at the bottom left corner, here is the reply option, just click on it. See, your own email account will be automatically placed here at the top. And just below your own email account, the person or the email account that you are going to reply will be displayed. And the subject will also be automatically written here. You just need to write your message or reply. For example, I'm writing here something like this. But in this message, if you want to attach some files, for example, photos, videos, or any document, just click on this Add File option. It'll redirect you to your phone gallery. And now select the picture, video, or any document that you want to send to that person or that email. So I've added the picture in my reply. And after completing your message, just click on the send button. So this is how you can reply to any email or any person on Gmail app. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.